You guys, the world prefers me wet. The world likes when I'm wet and just dripping. In my studio today, I have one of the most amazing PR packages I've ever received. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be dipping into the Miss Fame collection today. This is her second launch. Now, if you guys wanna learn how to do some cool editorial, easy, quick eyes, keep watching right now because I'm about to show you guys the Fame way. I know there's a lot of makeup right now. It's an amazing time right now because this is what we want. We want makeup that is amazing and makeup that we love. We need more. So today's video, you guys, y'all saw the word Miss Fame. If y'all don't know who Miss Fame is, I'm gonna die. I love Miss Fame. I've looked up to her a lot when it comes to makeup. I think she is so stunning. She's also a fashion icon. She's done fashion shows. She's everywhere. She recently came out with a makeup line. In my studio today, I have her second release. Now, I didn't know she was going to come out with the second piece just because, you know, you just honestly, you never know. Get ready. This is the PR. Can we just take a moment? Just take a moment. This is one of the most stunning PR boxes I've ever seen. This is stunning. If I had my own makeup line and I had my own launch, this is kind of the vibe I would go. This right here just looks super well thought. It looks expensive. This is right here gives me Pat McGrath, like, on crack. Like, it gives me like all that. Inside here we have this product and we have 3 new loose pigments. Honestly, you can use them for anything, I'm sure. They come in like a green, a copperish pink, and then a darker green. Very straightforward. Love the packaging. It looks super expensive. I would definitely pick this up. It's honestly super heavy for the size that it is. Like, it's literally the size of maybe like, you know, almost like a venti iced caramel macchiato. This casing that it's in, it's so well thought out. Like, I'm totally getting her vibe. And then the packaging itself, it feels really matte. This is what I need to see. This is stunning. You know, not like a crazy Pokemon looking thing. And you know what I love about it? I don't know what's inside. Let's go and unpackage this right now. We have 10 colors and we have the film that it comes in, and everything says under my skin. So she just really wants us to be under her skin, girl. The eyeshadow sizes are pretty good sizes. Like, these are, to be honest, I feel like eyeshadow should be this size. I'm gonna read some of the names. So some of the names are Orgasm. Damn, I can't even say these names. Miss Fan, you over here having me taking college courses. Okay, Orgasm, Orgasm, Toptation, Skintimacy. Oh, I can read that. Cosmic Crush, Wanderlust, Bluephoria, Orangey, Astral Play, Movimentum. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Fame just went down in history as the world's hardest palette to read. This is sexy. I love that. These are sexy. There's some matte textures in here. There's some really high fine shimmers. So today's makeup, you guys, I'm already kind of knowing what I'm gonna do. Before we swatch it, let's go ahead and pull out the glitters. These are so adorable because in her first collection, she had a purple one. It was almost like this purple, vibrant, violet, ultraviolet kind of feel. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch and see what it does. So now we're gonna go ahead and swatch Orgasm. It's like this nice pearl. So there's some pink in there, I see. Oh my god, look at that. Do you see some pinks? This is a really pretty highlight. I could totally see this on the eyes. I actually want to swatch this one, Orgasm. So this is the black. Oh yeah, that's stunning. Let's go ahead and do the purple. Oh yeah, pretty. Let's go ahead and do, actually, Skintimacy looks really nice. But that's a nice brown. Very earthy. I love that. You can use it as like a transition, a crease color. Let's go ahead and do Cosmic Crush. Oh yeah, that's stunning. I love that blue. Okay, so Bluephoria should be like a brighter blue. This is Wanderlust. Very pretty palette. I like it. Okay, so there are some that are more shimmery and there are some that's more matte. But the ones that are matte have little specks of glitter. So you can obviously see these 3 are super shiny. Very stunning. I like it. Now let's go ahead and get this makeup on. I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a look. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I started using the Laura Mercier, a hydrating primer. I am absolutely in love with it. Honestly, as a person with oily skin, oily freaks me out. So just really moisturizing my skin, getting it ready for literally the fabulousness of this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with something that I have not used on camera yet that I actually think is phenomenal. P.LOUISE has the most ultimate black base you can think of. And I actually got this at the Morphe store and I was absolutely in love with it. Anyone out there that is packing on shimmer shadows, black shadow, or anything that wants to be super pitch dark, P.LOUISE does have a black one. I'm actually going to use this today with this. I think it's going to hold the Orgasm and the skintimacy like amazing. I might even dip into the blue a little bit depending on what it looks like. But my goal today, you guys, is to really give you super black runway. I want to feel like I'm walking down like a Dior runway. I want to give you that vibe. Taking a black liner and putting this in the waterline, and I'm just really making sure I saturate like hell out of my eye underneath. And then I kind of go like this. Close your eyes kind of lightly and just really pinch that liner as close to your eye as possible, just to make sure the waterline is super dark and you're not really putting in like liquid weird things in your eye. The last thing I need is someone blind. So taking the P.LOUISE, and now we're gonna go ahead and just paint on the primer. Look at that. Oh, I love black. And then usually like after the first layer, it's pretty good. And when you're doing the shape, you want to make sure it's almost similar. We want the shadow to really match each other. But in this case, because it's so like editorial, you don't really need to, I mean, a little mistake is okay, but try to make it as identical as you can. Oh God, I love black. I think black is just so sexy. So now we're gonna go ahead and go right into Orgasm. So it's gonna be this color right here. So Orgasm is like, it has specks of purple, there's specks of green and gold. It's almost like that nice starry night kind of feel shadow where it's almost just like, oh wow. Now go ahead and saturate that brush, give me all that life. And now we're gonna just tap it on. Now just taking that color and just really packing it on there. Oh my God. I see a lot of like purple shimmers, golds. So let's go ahead and just keep packing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dip this brush into Skintimacy. I'm just taking that color, just brown to really, really blur out the lines. Oh, wow, that's so nice. Okay, this is just really to kind of like make the black transition better. I love a faded black lens. Remember, you guys, keep that brush really, really tight. You already have product on your eye, so just kind of taking that product, mixing it with the Skintimacy, and just really, really going in a circular motion and just kind of just letting the shadow do its thing. The shadows blend very, very easy. Now, taking that black and just really giving me that blur, really, really blending that in. And now let's go ahead and just pack on the edges. What this does is just kind of really gives you like that extra blend, and it just kind of softens up the edges a little bit. It just kind of presses the shadow into the skin, and it just really gives you like this blurred out look. Oh yeah, it's nice, huh? So now I really, really, really want to play with this green. I think this green is look really nice. So I'm gonna get a flat brush, and I really want to pop this green in the inner corner. This is Wanderlust. Just pop it in. Just like so. And I'm just taking the green and I'm just really melting it into the skin. Same thing on this side, you guys. Taking that green, just melt it into the inner corner. It's almost like this dark, smoky skeleton eye, but it has so many different multicolors. So when you turn your head, you can kind of see different colors. Wet your brush, and now let's go ahead and dip into, what should we dip into? I want to dip into this Astro Play. I think that's gonna be really nice. Let's just kind of see what that looks like on. Oh, it's like almost kind of purpley. Just kind of mix it in with that green. You know what, we're already touching it. Let's go and mix the blue too. The blue is kind of on the edge. Yeah. You know what, honestly, far away is a black smoky eye, but up close, bitch, I'm at a fashion show. So far, I love it. Look at it, it's stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick liner on top for my lashes, and then we're gonna get the skin on, and then we're gonna jump into the glitter. So I'm gonna talk about the glitters and see where we're gonna put it. I mean, this is just really fast, high fashion. So I'm taking this liner. I usually take my lashes up. Oh, wow, I love it. I really love it. Let's get some skin on. There you go, so I'm just tapping the foundation in. Really, really not getting super close to the eyes, and just really getting on the forehead. Okay. Come down. And now I haven't set it yet. Actually, let's go ahead and do a little bit of highlight underneath, but I'm gonna try something different today where I do like almost like a liquid highlight. So just kind of quickly just really highlighting the main areas of a highlight, and then I'm just really making sure I don't get so close to the shadow. And then this is something that I used to use when I really want like a nice sickening highlight. This is a Dermablend Glow Creator. These are liquid highlighters, and it just kind of blows out like really soft, like a liquid highlight look. This is not something you want to do when you set your makeup. You kind of want to combine this with liquid product. I usually use this on like collarbone, my cheeks, sometimes on my nose. And the way you take it out, you literally just take it and you squeeze and you just let it suck up almost like that, and you kind of just drop. So it's almost like take a beauty blender and you just really keep that product where your highlight is. And this really does like intense your highlight. Now I've seen a lot of people like mix it with their foundations. That does pearlize your foundation. I'm terrified of doing that. I do not want to look like a glowy fish. You know what I mean? I want to look stunning. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's I should use that more often, huh? Okay. This is the part that you guys are going to be like, oh my God, wow. All right, so guys, take a highlighting brush. Don't set it. Remember, I said not to set it. So you take a highlighting brush, you take a little bit of Orgasm, and you just take it. And it just intensify. Now I do this first before it dries super down, so it just really kind of keeps like that texture liquid highlight look. And then I go back and I bronze out my cheeks. I'm gonna highlight a little bit on my brow bone. How's that? I'm gonna take a little bit of that Skin Intimacy and just blow out the bottom a little bit more. All right, you guys, so you guys are probably like, oh my God, Kimora, are you not gonna bronze? Bitch, I'm gonna bronze. Hold the fuck up. Before you bronze, I do have to set where I didn't put the liquid light. So just kind of like right here. And then now go ahead and just kind of wipe all that off. Now let's go ahead and bronze real fast. You guys already know, bitch, I fucking bronze. I'll bronze up here. Oh God, that's pretty. Oh my God, you guys. So as I'm bronzing, I'm looking at my monitor. You guys, this highlight is fucking stunning. Oh. Let's put more on. So you guys, Orgasm as a highlight is everything. It's like this nice pearly, pinky, ultraviolet kind of feel. So I actually am very curious to see it wet on. Now I went ahead and customized my own fan brush. Usually it's like black and it has like the white ones that are longer. I cut off that white because I think it's kind of useless. So I kind of take it and I densed it like this way. So a little tip and trick. And now let's kind of see. Oh, bitch, look at this. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit on my brow bone. Oh my God, yeah, look at that. I like it. So highlight is on, contour is on. Now I'm gonna contour just a little bit more. Now I really want to keep this contour super tight. So I'm just gonna take it. I mean, I feel like I'm going for lashes. Do I no blush? No blush. I like it like that. Oh, I think I do a nude lip. Oh, no! Bitch, I freaking forgot! Glitter! You guys, y'all are about to leave me like this. So, okay, so inside she has 3 fucking new glitters. I want to put some glitter on, right? You don't put glitter on after lashes. So this glitter is called Earth Shattering. Girl, she got me with these names. And it's like this green, has gold specks in it. And I'm gonna put this on. So I kind of take a little flat surface and I just kind of, and I take a brush. I lick it, and I take it and I just pack it on. Oh, that's bomb. Oh yeah, bitch, that's fucking everything. I don't even care if it's spilling on my face. I just slobbered. That's how much I liked it. You guys, this glitter is everything. Wow. I definitely think like this green glitter, Earth Shattering, is stunning. Like it literally brought and popped out the green so much that it was like, okay, bitch, shout out to that. I'm obsessed already. So let's go ahead and pop some lashes on and get this popping, honey, because I'm excited for the look. All right, guys, so as the lashes are drying, I'm feeling it. I feel like I want to go like this. I'm just kidding. Because it's all about Miss Fame, I think if I'm gonna pick a lipstick, I'm gonna pick one of her 5 that she has. I mean, look at her, she's stunning. But I think it's gonna go very, very well with my look. I want the whole Miss Fame moment. So let's go ahead and pick a color. And I think I'm gonna play a game. I'm gonna pick one. I'm just gonna pick one. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. Iffy. How do you sing it? Iffy. Hollers. Okay. Okay. We don't know the color. I don't think red's gonna go, girl. You know what? Let's guess again. How's your head? That's pretty. I think this is pretty. I think this is gonna go very, very well. Or no. Thank you for guessing with me, but as you guys know, when I say I'm gonna play a game, I don't live to my promises. There's a nude one here that I think is stunning. Oh! I love this color. This is the sick color. She looks sick. So I'm gonna do this on, but I'm gonna press it on to the point where like I want to look like I have no lips. When I want to do like the no lip look, but there's kind of lips. So what you do is you put it on first. You take your finger, you just really pack it, like pat it. So it's just kind of almost spread around. This is how you do it. Get ready. Come closer. This is such a pretty color. Okay. You take your finger and you just pat. So it's like almost nothing. Alright guys, what you guys think? I'm already loving it. Super dark jet black eyes. I feel super high fashion. I love that there's no lip going on. Now this is what the Kylie and Balmain feel should have been. It's time to put on a wig and show you guys the final look. I'll be right back. The wig is on. I'm wet. Did I just get out of the shower and feel so fucking stunning? I love black eyeshadow. I'm definitely not used to no lips, but I'm kind of into it. But you know what? Let's do a little iconic London. Oh. Oh my gosh. Woo! I had so much fun, you guys. Now, Miss Fame, so excited. Thank you so much. I mean, honestly, you inspire me all the time. I love your looks. I live for you, girl. You're amazing, and congratulations on the entire collection. So excited. You guys, the eyeshadows were sickening. The eyeshadows were so easy to use. I mean, honestly, literally, I used like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. They blended very well. I will say we're very used to palettes having options. Now, this is a lot of shimmer. It's definitely a palette that I could see wearing by itself, but also I think it's gonna look great with other palettes as well. In the meantime, I had so much fun. I'm literally dripping wet. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button because, bitch, I want to see you every week. Till next time, who knows what I'm gonna do next? Who knows what else I have in this office? I'll see you guys in a bit.